Okay, next up, we need to get our profile together because we want to look our best on GitHub, where this is our professional technical portfolio. Okay, and you'll notice up here, this little icon is our profile picture. So we're going to set all of this up. We're going to set up a bio. We're going to do all the things. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this image, and you'll notice that there is a list of things here. I'm just going to click on your profile. Okay, now this is what my profile looks like. It has an image here. It's got my username, and just some other things here that we will learn as we go. But I'm going to click edit my profile. Okay, so here you can update your name, your bio, do our pronouns, the company that we work for, the location. We can set our email address if we want to share that, our websites, and any of our social media accounts. So for this, you can go as dark as you want, or you can, when I say dark, like don't put all the links or whatever, or you can give the information that you want. I'm going to highly suggest that you create a profile that you have curated. And basically what that means is that all of the links that you put here have been specifically created for anyone to know who you are as a technical professional. So don't go putting your personal Facebook account on here or your personal Instagram. If you want to share Instagram and you want to share Facebook and you want to share your Twitch or any of those things, I would recommend that if historically those accounts did not show your technical prowess, that you go and you create new accounts that you can then put here. Okay, that would be my recommendation. This is how you get repped in tech. Okay, so first I'm going to put name. So I'm going to put Dr. T here, and then a bio. I love to code, and I am a proud Slytherin. Yes. Put a little personality in there. I code with JavaScript and Python. Okay, and anything else that you might do, CSS, any of those other ones. My company is repped in tech. My location is Nashville, Tennessee. I'm not going to put my email address on there because I don't want anybody, coming to my email address or sending me emails. But it's up to you. You can create an email address specifically for your tech profile if you want to. But I just tell people to go to my website. So I'm going to do repped.in.tech. Okay, and I'm not going to add any social accounts because I haven't yet created any for my tech profile. So I'm going to do save, and you will see. Now this profile or this information here is updated. Okay, but now I want to change my avatar, so I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take me to another page that will allow me to go even more in depth into my settings. But I'm going to upload a photo. Make sure that you select a photo that shows your face, okay? Not an image of you and your partner. Actually, you and your pet would probably be fine. But make sure that you are the only human in that picture, okay? Here, I'm going to select this one because it's looking real cute. So I'll put that one in there. And you'll see that it'll allow me to crop it. I'm not going to crop it. I think it looks good just like that. So now my image is there. Is there anything else I want to update here? Let's see. Nope, that's it. Okay. Now, if I go to my personal profile, it might take a few minutes for the image to update. You see it's still in here. Sometimes it takes a little bit for it to update, but eventually it will get in there. And see, there you have it. So now I've got my public profile with my beautiful image, the name that I want to be called, and then a brief description, and then the company I work for. If you don't work for a company, you could just leave that blank. The location that I am, my URL, and then it just gives more information there. And now my profile is looking good.